Hey, we're going to take a look at Rocket League Sideswipe on the Chromebook. And this Chromebook is, let's take a look. It is this one. Chromebook Flex 5 13-inch with 10110U Core 3. Core i3. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, etc. So it's around 300 right now on Amazon. So yeah. So let's take a look at it. So here it is, loaded, and yeah, let's restart it and see how it runs. Let's load it up. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's see. So here's the brightness of it. Lower the brightness while it's loading, and oh, it's off. And yeah, just loaded. So yeah, let's take a look. So I do not play this game, so ranked casual, let's do it casual. Double casual. Let's see how we play. This is touch screen, so let's see. The mouse does not really work on it. See right there's mouse not moving at all. So it is touch screen. Garage. Item shop. Have audio music off, FPS, enable FPS display and stuff. Still looking for a match. And it's loading. This game does depend on the speed of your internet, so because it is online. And I do not know how to play this game, so let's see. It's a lot harder than I thought. It's like, ooh, dang it. So yeah, there it is, part one. They scored. Ouch. Vote to forfeit. It's forfeit. How do you vote? So yeah, there it is running. And then voila. Await him wins. So yeah, there it is running. It's pretty fun though, if you guys could get into this. So yeah, there it is. Just get a Epic account, download it from the Play Store, and then yep, they're up and running. Let's see what games you could get on this. Top charts, Roblox, Stumble Guy, Among Us. That's fun. Try and get that. This game does not run. It keeps crashing when I try downloading it. So yeah, there it is. Play Store, and then let's see. So yeah, try that out. Thanks for watching. See you guys.